evening, friends. You are watching my YouTube channel, Shabd Shailendra Singh. I am Shailendra Singh with Dr. Ramya Nalli from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. She is Beauty and Brain. Only package of Beauty and Brain. She is a doctor by profession and speak emotionally, motivational speaker and beauty products launched by her company and also ENT surgeon. So beauty with brain. In college days, she award many times some awarded, and first time we interview this beauty and brain. So welcome, Dr. Ramya Nalli, in our YouTube channel.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ramya, first you introduce our viewers. What is your profession? ENT surgeon, doctor. Then we talk beauty and other fields.
Yeah. Actually, I am Dr. Nalli Ramya. I have done my otorhinolaryngology in Third Best College in India, that is JIPMA. And later on, I have written a book named The Broken Pendant, which have been awarded in nationwide.
Okay.
And later on, it's my passion to have the cosmetic industry. Why specifically I have taken cosmetic industry is that I myself is a victim of a teenage acne. I know how a person who is suffering from a skin disorder, I personally been there.
Okay.
Then people will say that patient knows better than doctor. I am just example of that. So at that tender age of teenage years, I myself has lost so much of self-confidence because of this world, to be frank, not everyone, but most, we will be judging a person by the way of their appearance. It doesn't mean that, for me, the inner beauty is very much important. But how many people will see the inner beauty in initial stages? When you go into an interview, they see how you are dressing and you are selected according to that. And you are judged for your external beauty. But while I have been all into these cases, I have seen how I was criticized in various ways. So this is the time I have got accustomed with this cosmetics and everything. But it doesn't mean that I have lost so much of self-confidence, but there is an effect on my personality at that time when I was young, and that is the time when my personality is developing.
Okay.
But later on, why I have come to this field is that I want to give products which are healthy to the skin, because till these many years I have used products that are unhealthy to the skin. But Ramcos is totally different. That is vegan, organic, and totally safe for people who are even pregnant.
Yeah.
So my passion. That is my passion.
Okay.
Apart from medical, this is my passion.
Why you choose field doctors ENT?
ENT is that I basically like dermatology. To be frank, I'm saying, because I have suffered from skin disease. But JIPMA is a very big college, central government, and you have to get a very good seat into that. And my second option is ENT. I doesn't mean that I don't like ENT, but ENT is a cool branch for me. I thought it's a cool branch, but it is not a cool branch. It has its own things. I thought it's a cool branch. But later on, I was enjoying all head and neck surgeries.
Dr. Ramya, your father and your mother both are doctors. Who inspire you in medical field?
Basically, both have inspired me a lot. And another way, I hate maths. I used to fail in maths a lot.
Yeah.
Maths. I asked in which field there is no maths.
Huh.
Then they told that we field.
You don't like
So
maths.
then I don't know. I struggle in maths. So
Okay.
science I used to take good marks.
Good. But you are a very good motivational speaker. You win many titles of painting and personality grooming, beauty pageant. Something about it's to our viewers.
Yeah, motivational speaking is something different to me apart from this because when I was young, I was introduced to many motivational books by my dad. I feel that whenever we are in a very low situation of depression or any sort of thing, I felt that your physical work can also be hampered when your mental health is low. When you're going into the society, you should be having a confidence, you should be having how to work. Your inner mind determines all your outside work. So in this way, I feel that out of so many thousands, millions of world population, more than half are mentally sick because of various reasons.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone will go into this situation. Everyone will go, but
Yeah.
no one will touch that point. No one will touch. Only thing is that during the COVID period, also many people I have treated. Most of the people have mental stress. No, if I get the COVID, I will die. No, it's not like that. It's not like a very big disease. In fact, to say. There are many people who have recovered. There are stats that many people have, but we often see how many people are dead. But there are many people who have recovered. Only thing is that whenever you are getting stressed, your immunity gets low. When your immunity gets low, for sure, not even COVID, any disease will be attacking you. So
Yeah.
see that you are positively imbibing yourself with your positivity and don't be with people who are in negative thoughts because indirectly you will be negative and you will become affected by that one. This way your health will be hampered. So this is the things I want to say to everyone.
Yeah.
What my motivation is speaking is.
You said mental health is very important for peoples. Yeah. Dr. Ramya, you are a brand ambassador of cancer societies, cancer disease also. A very good work. And cancer is a big challenge our society. Which type you people's talks about it?
Means basically I was October is a breast cancer. As a doctor, I have educated many people who don't know that they are having cancer. Means like just they will come with a lump in the chest and they don't know, they'll neglect it. But educating the people that just go for mammography and see it doesn't mean that you are having cancer, but screening is very much important. You can prevent the cancer. And my field is ENT and head and neck surgery, where my thesis is all about head and neck cancers. Means how I have done research on it and how head and neck cancers like giving tobacco and various other forms of inside smoking, these all affect cancer. So educating the people about the cancer will help them to get away from cancer. Means like if you are educating earlier, the more precautions they will be taking and they will be preventing it. Screening.
Yeah.
I'm saying that get yourself screened. There is nothing wrong in getting screened.
You win any beauty pageant also, and your name is selected one a huge population of women's. You win titles. Something, please tell us, beauty pageant you win.
No, I didn't win any beauty pageant because I have been a judge to Miss Vizag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was judge actually.
Huh. Huh.
I should thank to Mr. Vijay Kumar Agarwal who has given me and Ajay Kumar Agarwal who has given me
Hmm.
because my it's all about the relationships and the friendships we have. So they have given me the opportunity and I have
Okay.
been yeah.
You have any interest in political politics?
No, I want to become an entrepreneur. No,
And your beauty Romasi na get na organic products beauty. Something tells about its products.
Our products is basically they are organic, means there are no chemicals in that. There are many products which are having paraben, sulfate, mineral oils. They go into the skin and they have a potent chance of getting cancer. So
Okay.
our products are totally vegan and organic and cruelty free, means it is they didn't harm any animals, and eco-friendly. We are providing everything eco-friendly, so it will not be affecting the environment also. See, beauty industry is so much to be said. All the youngsters, when I was a teenager, I was totally nothing. I know about the cosmetics or anything. But now generation, totally everyone is using the cosmetics. But how
Yeah.
many people are aware that the ingredients inside that are bad to them, very harmful to them? Many don't know that. They should be educated about that. See, it is not about business. It should be about the health issue also. You should be
Yeah.
taking a health point of whatever we eat, whatever we take, whatever you apply on the skin should be good for not only for external appearance. It should be good. That long-term effect should not be there. So these things, what I consider is giving no harm to the skin. In this way, Ramicos is striving for that. Everything we are bringing is organic, vegan, and cruelty friendly and eco friendly. Cruelty free and eco friendly. And in this way, my Ramcos main thing is to give women employment also, because many people, many people. I have seen many people who are not having employment and totally dependent. A woman should be self-independent. I feel that self-independent, and she should come up with her own thing. So in this way, I want to give women employment. I'm saying women, yeah, please come and get yourself employed. It's not about women empowerment. I don't believe in women empowerment. I know how many men are suffering, but women entrepreneurship or women employment will give the confidence for a woman. Even when see how many during the COVID period, how many people who are expired, the family is left outside. Then woman was also affected so much if she is a housewife. Then why to depend on one person? Let yourself be the main person who can earn, and you can be example for your children also. Yeah.
Dr. Ramya, you have very talented. And after this, what is other hobbies of you?
My hobbies are like painting. I love painting. During the COVID times, I used to paint a lot. So, and poetry and book writing. These are my list. These like my creative activities that give me a lot of peace of mind. And reading so many positive attitude books like Joseph Murphy, Robin Sharma, and Palo. These give us everyday motivation. There's no person who will be facing everyday positive vibes. We have to recharge ourselves. And this way, I'm recharging myself.
You are a good traveler.
Yeah, I love you.
Where?
COVID has stopped me.
Oh,
COVID has stopped me.
but before COVID, what place you like very much?
I like Kodaikanal. Hello. Kodaikanal and Hong Kong. I really love that a lot.
Other India places you visit?
Yeah, Mumbai, Delhi,
Okay.
Uti, and places.
Okay.
Most of
So,
them South Asia.
Which type place you like?
Hill stations. I love hill stations. It's
Hill
cold.
stations. Oh,
It's cold.
anything you tell us, our viewers?
I think I have to tell whenever you're having any plans in your mind, just try to implement it. See, everyone has, see, being a doctor, okay, many people have asked me why are you going into the cosmetic field. You're
Yeah.
enough with your doctorship. You're a good doctor. You be enough. No, I don't feel that. We have only one life. You can explore whatever you want. It doesn't mean that you have to stuck with one situation. It doesn't mean that I'm not contented with the doctorship. It's like many people who are going in this, many doing the job. How many people are contented with their jobs? 50% maybe or 60% who are contented. They will be doing work and they'll be okay. I have done the job. Do something that is energizes your work or your mind. Go into different fields, explore yourself. You don't know which field will be good for you, but without exploring yourself, no one can, not even other person, not even your parents or husband or wife will not be knowing because you're a different personality. So don't let yourself be stopped by various hamperings around you. End of the day, if you really love something, universe will be conspiring to get it done because your positive thing, positive attitude will make it done. For sure, it will make it done. So you can be example to many people also. Okay, a doctor can be doing this one. Why can't I do? Engineering is doing this one. Why can't I do? I have many examples. I have a friend who is named Pavna Tripathi. She is a doctor. She is doing her PhD and she has written many books. She's one of the examples. So there are many people who are exploring themselves. Just don't go for only job of earning or doing. Explore yourself of giving you peace of mind. In the same way, help yourself also. Be an example to many people outside and give employment to many people. In that way, you're helping the other people also and you're helping yourself also. Just be self-confident in whatever. Don't get other people's negativity come into your mind. In this way, books will help you in recharging yourself. Just believe in yourself. No one knows better than you. No one knows.
Thank you, Dr. Ramya, and thank you.